Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. We're looking at park model trailers again today, and this is a 2020 Quailridge 39ASL. It's clay with the clay window and door package and clay trim, so it's really down to earth trailer. It looks really earthy. 39ASL. Let's go on in. It's unit number 12084. Now the MSRP on this trailer is $72,000, and it's certified by the RV industry as a park model trailer. So when you come in, you've got a sectional sofa. You've got plank. Well, this is PVC flooring on the entire main floor. I'm showing you around the main floor here. That's all PVC flooring. It looks like ceramic tile, but it's not. It's nice 5-burner range, convection microwave, Samsung fridge. There's a nice fridge there. Nice big shower, big bathroom. This trailer lends itself to a nice floor plan here. Got a step-in shower, low threshold. Point that out to you. That's about 4 to 5 inches, if that. That's the threshold for stepping in the shower. Out here you got your kitchen, stainless oversized sink, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, island seating. Already seen the sectional sofa in the fireplace. Got a nice ceiling fan up top. It's got a pretty big loft. The loft covers about half the trailer. So let's go up in the loft and take a look around. Again, this is the 2020 Quailridge 39ASL if you just joined us. It's got a little couple closets, couple drawers there, auxiliary air conditioner, back in the back to keep you nice and cool in the summertime. There's never any problem with heat upstairs because heat rises. Okay, so there's the loft, the front living room, L kitchen. Oh, almost missed the dishwasher. It's for all them people that asked me, where would you put a dishwasher? Well, there you go. We'll put the dishwasher right there. It's a Frigidaire pot scrubber. Pretty sweet. Who wants to wash dishes when you're Cadillac camping? Let's see, we did see the fireplace in the entertainment center. Been to the bathroom. I'd show you the inside of the fridge, but it's strapped shut. Here's a pantry, a hall pantry, nice pantry. Lots of shelving there. Pantry, pantry, pantry. Tall closet here. It's actually prepped for a stackable washer dryer. Prepped, already prepped for you. It's got an island queen, so you can walk around the queen bed in the master suite here. It's got the signature Quailridge his and hers wardrobe. Nice wardrobe, a lot of drawers, a lot of doors. You have full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you get access to the whole drawer. Behind the panel here, that's the electrical panel. With all the breakers clearly marked. There's your circuit breaker panel. Walk around queen. This particular unit has built-in nightstands with outlets by each one. You don't have to get the nightstands. It's just we mix them up here. So this stock unit actually had the nightstands in it. So heading back out to the front. Again, you got the plank flooring or the PVC flooring. I keep saying plank because we have plank in some and ceramic tile in others. PVC flooring throughout. The ceramic tile look-alike. This is the 2020 Quailridge 39ASL. And it was brought to you by Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. If you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. We got plenty more to film. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Again, the MSRP on this trailer, unit number 12084, was just over $72,000, and it's a 2020 Quailridge 39ASL. Have a great day.